Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask a string or a sentence from our user, and then our program will count the number of words in a given string or sentence using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers, and visitors in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. To my fellow Filipinos, maraming salamat po guys sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa channel ko. Sana po wag po tayong magsawa sa pagtulong sa channel ko para malumago pa ito at marami po tayong matulungan ng mga tao na gustong matuto ng computer programming at saka information technology. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Kindly see the video description of this video tutorial. Basically, I'm using dev C++. If you are asking what type of compiler that I'm using in writing C in C++ program, most of the time I'm using dev C++, sometimes code blocks. It doesn't matter, the code will work in both integrated development environment. So we have here stdio.h, line number 1, sharp include. Std means standard input output, and then line number 2, sharp include string. It is a library file that we will be using here in the command gets or getString. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program and ending point when we terminate our program. We have here curly bracket, and then we have here a series of declared variables. The first one is given underscore string that has a data type of character. So the maximum number of characters would be 100. You can change it in any size if you want to. So we have here in count 0, I 0. When we say integer or int, it refers to data type that can accept only whole number, positive and negative number, including 0. There are no decimal places. Line number 10, we have here new line here. The title is \t, count number of words in a string in C. In this line of code 11, line number 12 and 13, we are asking the user to give a string. So have you imagined this command gets? Get stands for getString. This command will allows us to accept a series of words with namespace. You can use only this command if you declare this library file on the top, sharp include string.h. And then using a for loop statement, we have here I equals 0, because in C we are starting with 0. When we count, give underscore string I not equals backslash 0 means enter I++. If given underscore string I equals space, it will count the separation of between words in a sentence or a string. And then we increment means count plus plus means increment by 1 or adding by 1. So we have here the close of our for loop statement, new line, and then it will display number of words in a given string, count plus 1, because normally the initial value of count is 0. New line here, end of program, and then we close the body of our main function with the right curly bracket. As I said, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, right now our program is running, so automatically it will convert to word.exe. Count number of words in a string in C, give a string. Let's say for example, C programming is fun. When we press the enter key from our computer, the number of words in the string are 4. So we have here C 1 2 3 4. C programming is fun. Okay, and a program. Another example, let us run again. There I am using dev C++ in writing C this C program. We have here a sentence. I am using dev C++ in writing this C program. Press enter. So the number of words in a string are 10 and a program. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's correct. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a string or sentence, and then our program will count the number of words in a given string or sentence in C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You can click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.